You ready, bro? Youth hunt. All right, let's go. Whee! We're already late, just like I like to be. All right, guys, we're up here at Commander's Corner this morning. We have a special hunt. It is youth hunt. Season is over, duck season is over. We have a youth hunt this morning. We're gonna have a full blind of youth. Ducks are in the area. It should be a good hunt. We should see a lot of birds. Regardless, we're gonna have fun. We got some dads, we got some kids. We're just out making memories. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Let's go hunt. Hey, if you're going to the north blind, let's roll.
Perfect. All right. So you.
We'll put Judge and the other group on the other side. Just leave a little bit of room on the end of the blind so that the camera guys can get in and out if they need to. And then when y'all get in there, once everybody's in, we can go ahead and load guns. I'll tell y'all that when we get in there. But let's go. We already late. I hate being late. Yeah, you can go get on the other end.
Take that gun out of that case. Or give it to me and just get in.
All right, we got everybody in the blind down there. Tommy's giving them a little rundown about what to do this morning. So I see some ducks in the air, so hopefully we're gonna get some working here shortly and get some ducks on the ground. So let's see what kind of shooters we got.
Kill it. Be real still. What was that? They should come right in that side. Get ready, they're gonna be on this side. I'm calling the shot. Be still. Kill those ducks.
There he is. Good job, boys.
We're super good at this.
That was good shooting, kids. Be still, be still. Shoot that duck. If you want to go ahead and stand up, leave your gun here so it's easier. Beck, if you want to do that too.
Like, just do that?
Yeah.
I'm holding it right?
Mm-hmm. Beck, do you want to stand up too?
All right, well, a little update. We've got a couple birds down. They're kind of slow this morning, but I think they're having a good time in the blind. I'm kind of sitting outside the blind. You see the blind is right over there, so we've got a couple GoPros set up around it. Hopefully we're catching some stuff and they're having a good time, which I'm sure they are. So.
Down.
I want to shoot it.
Just had one buzz the tower. It's coming back in. Hang on.
take the shell off.
And shoot them.
Damped up.
All right, a little update. We just had a couple more come in and work in pretty good, and we got one out of the two, which is awesome. So. Man, what an awesome youth hunt up here. We had a real good time this morning. We saw a lot of birds. It's 12:30 right now, so as you can imagine, to keep a bunch of kids in the blind for that long, we had to have some activity. We'd see a group come in and they would buzz us and never really circle back, so we kept hoping that they would come in and we would get some more shots on them. But we sent some shot up in the air a few times, and we got a couple birds down. But most importantly, we had a good time. So I want to thank Tripp Gordon for a lot of the blind footage that you're going to see as well. He was in there shooting footage, and I've got it all mashed in that you've probably already seen. So anyway, it was a good morning. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys. That is a wrap on 2022-2023 waterfowl season here, and it's been a good time. So anyway, I want to thank Tommy, Neck, and Harrison for having us up here at Commander's Corner, and yeah, y'all make sure y'all check them out next year. So book now, because they will book up quick. It's a great place to come, and good food, good people, and good hunting. All right, y'all have a good one.